going to make everything seem possible. Serum Institute of India to continue to test 62% effective COVID vaccine dosing instead of 90%. Serum Institute of India, which has partnered with AstraZeneca to manufacture its COVID-19 vaccine, will continue to test a 2 full dose regimen despite its showing a 62% effectiveness compared to 90% effectiveness of a half and a full dose regimen in trials. Dr. Suresh Jadhav, Executive Director at SII, said changing the dose regimen now would delay the trials. India's COVID-19 cases near 95 lakh, 501 deaths reported in 24 hours. India has reported 36,604 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 94 lakh 99,430. The country reported 501 more deaths since yesterday, taking the death toll to 1 lakh 38,122. As many as 89 lakh 32,647 people have recovered from COVID-19 in this country so far, while the number of active cases stands at 4 lakh 28,644. Japan Parliament passes bill for free COVID-19 vaccines to public. Japan's parliament on Wednesday passed a bill to use public funds to provide free COVID-19 vaccines to its citizens. The bill also calls for the government to compensate private companies for any health problems caused by the vaccination. Earlier, Japanese PM Yoshihide Suga has pledged to provide enough COVID-19 vaccines for the country's entire population by middle of the next year. 4-year-old boy dies after balloon gets stuck in his throat and block his vocal cord. A 4-year-old boy from Maharashtra's Andheri died after a balloon got stuck in his throat and went deep inside, blocking his vocal cord. He was in a sleeping posture and blowing the balloon. Suddenly it got pulled inside his mouth, his father said. Doctors tried to revive him and gave him cardiopulmonary resuscitation for 45 minutes, but he could not survive. People rushed to collect cash after bank robbers scattered it on road in Brazil. Residents in the Brazilian town of Criciúma rushed to collect cash after bank robbers scattered it on the road following a 2-hour-long robbery. The robbers blasted explosives and fired high-caliber weapons at police in the east that left 2 people injured. Footage showed armed men firing automatic weapons on streets, taking hostages and then escaping in a fleet of cars. Apple announces 15 apps as App Store Best of 2020 winners. Apple on Wednesday named 15 apps as its App Store Best of 2020 winners that were celebrated for their positive cultural impact and importance. Excise app Wacom won the iPhone App for the Year title, while Genshin Impact was the iPhone Game of the Year. Disney Plus and Zoom won the Apple TV and iPad of the Year title respectively. Virat Kohli becomes fastest batsman to hit 12,000 ODI runs. He breaks Sachin's record. India captain Virat Kohli has become the fastest batsman to score 12,000 runs in ODI cricket history. The 32-year-old achieved the feat in the third ODI against Australia in Canberra. Virat Kohli took 242 innings to reach the milestone, breaking Sachin Tendulkar's record by 58 innings. Virat Kohli is also fastest batsman to reach 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 and 11,000 ODI runs. China buys Indian rice for the first time in 30 years amid tight supplies. China has started importing rice from India for the first time in at least 30 years as its traditional exporters like Pakistan and Thailand reported limited surplus and quoted higher cost. China has earlier cited quality issues for not importing Indian rice. They may increase buying next year after seeing the quality, said Rice Reporters Association President B.V. Krishna Rao. Doctor told me I was born with high BP which caused damage, said Rana. Rana Tagpati, who opened up about health issues that he had faced, said, I flew into US where I was tested for 3 days. The doctor informed you were born with high blood pressure because of which damages have happened to your body, he added. Tagpati has said there was 70% chance of stroke or hemorrhage and 30% chance of death. Ivanka shares pictures with Prime Minister Narendra Modi from India visit. They hails US and India ties. US President Donald Trump's daughter and advisor Ivanka Trump shared pictures with PM Narendra Modi from her India visit in 2017 on Twitter. As the world continues to battle COVID-19, our country's strong friendship in promoting global security, stability and economic prosperity is more important than ever, she tweeted. The photos were clicked at Global Entrepreneurship Summit in Hyderabad. North Korea and Cuba are the only places you can't buy Coca-Cola. Made in China stickers are actually made in South Korea. That's why the stickers last longer than the product. The word tragedy comes from an ancient Greek word and the meaning is goat song. There is a website called howtorecycle.into that teaches you the proper way to recycle and show what's not recyclable. The Tata's Altas launched first window AC, water cooler and split AC in India.